Hello guys, welcome to our Excuse Me Max channel. இந்த வீடியோல நம்ம 12th Max தமிழ்நாடு சிலபஸோட previous year questions from 2020 to 2026ல இருந்து chapter வைஸா கொடுக்க போறேன். chapter வைஸா இருந்தா உங்களுக்கு படிக்கிறதுக்கு ஈஸியா இருக்கும். இந்த first வீடியோல நம்ம first chapter Applications of Matrices and Determinantsல 1 mark questions எடுத்துக்கோங்க. புக்ல டைரக்டா மார்க் பண்றவங்க பண்ணிக்கோங்க. We will go from 2026 to 2020. First chapter, 1 mark question. First question. If A is 3 by 3 non-singular matrix such that A transpose is equal to A transpose A and B is equal to A inverse A transpose, then B transpose is equal to what? So you have given 4 options and this question is from exercise 1.8 second question. இது மார்ச் 2026 and 2023ல கேட்ட questions. 2 டைம் கேட்டிருக்காங்க. So how will you solve this question? We have to find B transpose and we know B is equal to A inverse A transpose. So substitute பண்ணுங்க. B transpose is equal to A inverse A transpose into A inverse A transpose the whole transpose. That is equal to A inverse A transpose. AB the whole transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose ன்னு படிச்சிருக்கீங்க. இதை யூஸ் பண்ணி into A transpose the whole transpose into A inverse the whole transpose ன்னு எழுதிக்கலாம். So that is equal to A inverse A transpose into A transpose the whole transpose is A into A inverse the whole transpose. And we know by theorem 1.4 A transpose the whole inverse is equal to A inverse the whole transpose. So that is equal to A inverse into A transpose into A into A inverse the whole transpose will become A transpose the whole inverse. Now we can write A inverse into A into A transpose into A transpose the whole inverse. So that is equal to I into I is equal to I, identity matrix. So the answer is I3 since it is a 3 by 3 matrix. Next second question. If row of A is equal to row of augmented matrix AB, then the system AX is equal to B of linear equations is first one consistent and has a unique solution. Second consistent, third consistent and has infinitely many solutions, fourth inconsistent. This question is asked in 2026 and also in 2020. The answer is consistent since by Cauchy-Capilli theorem, if row of A is equal to row of augmented matrix AB, any system of homogeneous linear equation is always consistent. In the question page number 50 la 21st question. Our next question, if A is equal to 2, 3, 5 minus 2 be such that lambda A inverse is equal to A, then lambda is, we have 4 options கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. இந்த question 2025 and 2022 ல கேட்ட question. இந்த question page number 49 ல 16th question. So how will you solve this question? So we have given lambda A inverse is equal to A. So A inverse oda formula inga substitute பண்ணுங்க. So lambda into 1 by mod A into adjoint A is equal to A. So find out mod A and adjoint A and simplify, you get lambda is equal to 19. So your answer is option 3, 19. Next question. If A is a non-singular matrix of 3 by 3 and mod A is equal to 5, then mod A inverse is, we have given 5 options. This question is asked in 2025. This is out of book question. So if mod A is equal to 5, then obviously mod A inverse is option D, 1 by 5. Next question. If A, B and C are invertible matrices of some order, then which one of the following is not true? We have given 4 options. The question page number 48, 9th question. This question was asked in 2024 and 2021. So which one of the following is not true? So here the answer is second option, adjoint AB is equal to adjoint A into adjoint B, because the correct one is adjoint AB is equal to adjoint B into adjoint A. This is by theorem 1.10. Next question. If A is a non-singular matrix such that A inverse of 5, 3, minus 2, minus 1, then A transpose the whole inverse is equal to. So it is given that A inverse is equal to 5, 3, minus 2, minus 1. We need to find A transpose the whole inverse. In page 6, theorem 1.4, we have a property A transpose the whole inverse is equal to A inverse the whole transpose. So simply take the transpose of the given matrix. A inverse the whole transpose is equal to 5 minus 2, 3 minus 1, which is the solution of this question. So option C is your answer. So this question is from 2024. This is out of book question. Next question. If modulus of adjoint A is equal to modulus A power 9, then the order of the square matrix A is 3, 4, 2 and 5. So this question is from 2023. So how will you solve this question? So you know modulus of adjoint A is equal to modulus of A power n minus 1 the whole square. So what is n here? So we have n minus 1 the whole square is equal to 9, and n minus 1 the whole square is equal to 3 square. So we get n is equal to 4. So your solution is option 2, 4. Next question is, which of the following are correct? You have 4 options here. The answer is option 4, 1, 2 and 4. Because third one is adjoint of lambda A is equal to lambda power n minus 1 into adjoint of A, not lambda power n. Since it is given as lambda power n, third one is not correct. So this question is asked in 2022. Next question. The inverse of 3152 is. So the direct question. So find out inverse of 3152. You get the answer is 2 minus 1 minus 5, 3. This is out of book question. 2021 la keta question. Next question. If AB power minus 1 is equal to 12 minus 17 minus 19, 27, A inverse is equal to 1 minus 1 minus 2, 3. Then find out B inverse. We know AB the whole inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. To find B inverse, we multiply both sides by A. So we get AB the whole inverse into A is equal to B inverse into A inverse into A. And you know A inverse dot A is I. So we get B inverse is equal to B inverse A inverse into A. So substitute for B inverse A inverse, which is 12 minus 17 minus 19, 27, into, we know only A inverse. So from that find out A, which is 3, 1, 2, 1. So we get B inverse is equal to 2 minus 5 minus 3, 8 is your answer. So therefore option 1 is your answer. The question 2020 la ketirukanga. Next last question. A square matrix of order n has inverse if and only if row of A is equal to n. In 2023 la ketirukanga. The question page number 20, 5th point under note. So idoda 1 mark question over ஆயிடுச்சு. நீ next வீடியோவில் 2 marks question பார்க்கலாம். இந்த சேனல் பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணி ஒரு சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிவிடுங்க. உங்கள் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு ஷேர் பண்ணிவிடுங்க. தேங்க்யூ.